Good morning, everyone. Welcome to week 6. So this week you're going to focus on preparing for your first exam, and there are several things that you can do to prepare for your test. So first is to make sure that you complete the second written assignment and turn it in early. So turn it in before Thursday so that I can grade it and give you feedback to make sure that you're calculating probabilities correctly on your calculator, or if you're using the Z-table, whichever method you prefer. And the second thing that you can do is take a look at the exam review questions that I posted in week 6. Make sure you're comfortable with answering those types of questions. Spend a lot of time focusing on not just being able to calculate sample statistics using your calculator, but make sure you can explain what those results mean. So for example, if you have some data that represents SAT scores, if you calculate the average SAT score, what does that number tell us about how students do on the SAT? Or once you calculate the standard deviation, what information does that tell us in terms of how students did on the SAT? So once you have an average score and a standard deviation, that standard deviation tells us how much a typical SAT score varies from the mean SAT score. Also, again, make sure that you know how to use your calculator to input data into a list, and then how to calculate your sample statistics. And then the third thing that you can do to prepare is to try the practice exam that I have posted in week 6. The practice exam does not count for a grade, but it gives you a chance to make sure that your video camera is working, so your webcam is working, your microphone is working, because you're taking your exam online using Respondus Lockdown Browser. So you want to make sure that your Lockdown Browser app is downloaded, working correctly, or updated. And then you can retake the practice exam as many times as you want. In week 0, if you go to types of assignments for this class, there's a folder, and if you scroll down to exams, there is a video to show you how to take a math test online. So there are going to be multiple parts to each question. So if a question has parts A, B, and C, you want to make sure that you include A, B, and C in your answer, and that you label it clearly so that when I grade it, I know which answer is your answer to part A versus your answer to part C. So again, feel comfortable taking an exam online by taking that practice exam as many times as you need to. Okay guys, come see me during office hours or email me if you have any questions. Bye.